In front of me is Nothing Phone 3A, and today I would like to show you how you can set up sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. And hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Then tap on Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. Finally, go into Tab menu. Click on this pen at the bottom right corner of this section. Scroll to find Caffeine shortcut, hold it and add it to your current ones. Then go back, click on it, and as you can see, after that, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!